In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can install simple voice chat here in Minecraft. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and close out of Minecraft and the Minecraft launcher and open up a web browser of your choice and go to curseforge.com. It doesn't specifically have to be through here, but this is what I'd recommend. But essentially select Minecraft, and in this option where it says search for Minecraft mods, just go ahead and select browse all and then search for simple voice chat. Wait for the page to load, select this first option right here, and then go ahead and select files. And what you're going to want to do is filter it by the current game version for you, which right now is 1.21.11. And for the mod loader, go ahead and set it to Fabric. Then you'll see this top option right here. Go ahead and select the three dots and hit download file and just wait 5 seconds on this page and it'll go ahead and download the simple voice chat mod. Now what we're going to need to do next is get Fabric Loader. So what you're going to want to do is in a separate tab, search up fabricmc.net, hit enter and wait for the page to load, hit download and then hit download for Windows. And once that installer does download, go ahead and just select it to open it up. And once it does open up, go ahead and select the current Minecraft version and then hit this create profile thing and make sure it's checked and then hit install. Now from here, you can close out of both of these tabs and open up the Minecraft launcher for you. Whenever it does load, go ahead and just select this little arrow right here and select Fabric Loader. And then select installations up in the very top, find that same Fabric Loader, and then hit this open installations folder section and scroll down on here till you see mods. If you don't see that folder, go ahead and just create it. Just make sure it's all lowercase. And essentially from here, just right click on File Explorer, open up File Explorer again, go to downloads this time, and then find that voice chat Fabric section right here and just drag it in here. After you do that, you can close out of all of these tabs, go back to Minecraft Installer. Once again, ensure that it says Fabric Loader here and hit play. Now, whenever you are in Minecraft, just press V on your keyboard to open up the simple voice chat setup. And you can follow the setup guide or skip it. Just press V again to open up the settings. And this way you can adjust your volumes, unmute your microphone, and customize how voice chat works. But that is it. You now have proximity voice chat here in Minecraft. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.